Let's go drift it.
Hey, what's up guys? It's the Drifting Dad. Just got here to Piedmont Drift. I'm gonna do a few things to the car and then we'll be ready to drive. So after making a few runs, I've had an interesting issue. The ball joints actually fell out of the lower control arms. Fortunately, I was able to find someone with a welder, disassembled the suspension a bit, reinstalled the ball joints, welded them back in, and got out there. So unfortunately, that was like an hour and a half probably, just because it was so hot. And I unfortunately did not get a chance to film any of that, but I still got a few runs, and after that, as you'll see. Alright guys, that's a wrap. Thanks for taking a watch at this video. Take a look at this video, and please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you thought, and thank you for watching.